Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Charan IS Academy. This is Charan Teja Borlakunta, JRF scholar, completed MSc Geography and a UPSC aspirant. In this video, we are going to discuss NTA UGC NET exam paper 1 syllabus. So in this paper 1, we have 10 chapters. Each chapter contribute 5 questions and each question carries 3 marks. So that is total 50 questions into 2 marks is equal to 100 marks is the weightage from paper 1. Okay, first chapter of paper 1 is teaching aptitude. So in this teaching aptitude, we are going to discuss concept of teaching and its objectives, and there is various levels of teaching. That is memory, understanding, and reflective. So then after learners characteristics and what are the factors affecting teaching and methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning. And next, this is sorry, it's a little PPT mistake. So next, support teaching support system and evaluation systems. Next, second chapter is research aptitude. So in first, what is the meaning and types and characteristics we will discuss with our methods of research and steps in research. So research, we have different types of steps we need to follow while we are doing research. We need to follow certain steps. So that we discuss in this and thesis and article and application of ICT in research. Next, for as researchers, we need some ethics. So that also we will discuss in this. So third chapter, comprehension. So comprehension, no need at all explanation of this. We have comprehension from our schooling. Next, communication. In communication, same again, meaning and what are the types of communication and what are the characteristics. So next, what is effective way of communication? So communication may be a verbal or non-verbal and intercultural and group communication and we also classroom communication. So what is the effective ways in these communications? What are the barriers to effective communication? We will discuss. So next, mass media and society. So this all comes under communication chapter. Next chapter is mathematics, mathematical reasoning and aptitude. So in this types of reasoning, number series, letter series, and mathematical aptitudes like fractions, time and distance, etc. we will discuss. So coming to sixth chapter, it is logical reasoning. So in logical reasoning, the most important one is Venn diagrams, okay, and pramanas. In pramanas, perception, interference, inference, comparison, verbal testimony, implications, non-apprehensions. These are all very, very important and very interesting also. So wait for our classes, which I am going to upload in soon. So next, structure and kinds of anumana. Seventh chapter is data interpretation. In this data interpretation, we need to understand what is quantitative and qualitative data and graphical representation. So we have different types of graphical representation. That maybe bar chart, histograms, pie charts, tables, line charts, etc. So data interpretation, finally data and governance. This is all about data interpretation. Next, eighth chapter is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. In this, we are going to discuss this all subtopics. And next, it is followed by ninth chapter, that is people, development, and environment. In this is very important area, Environmental Protection Act, National Action Plan on Climate Change, and this is protocols and conventions and agreements are very, very important. Okay, next. In the chapter is higher education. So in higher education, we are going to learn the institutions of higher learning and education in ancient India. Okay, and evolution of higher education. And here, learning programs are in India are different. That may be oriental, conventional, or non-conventional. So we will discuss this all in detail and what are the difference in between. We will discuss. Next, education based on professional, technical, or skill based education also we will discuss. So value education and environmental educations. Next, finally, policies, governance, and administration in higher education. So this is all syllabus of paper one. Okay. So finally, who are preparing for 2023 December examination, I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching.